Welcome to the Science OER team's second part of the OER curriculum. We've taken the design kits and we are rebuilding kits.
Science Kit contains everything that you would need to do an investigation in the classroom. This is great because now we can actually put together things that will be used in the kits and we won't have things that aren't needed.
In this kit we have the spray bottles, we have flashlights, we have tanks and other materials, buckets that they need, and this is just part of a full kit. Some of these kits will come with 2 to 3 crates full of supplies for the students. We're putting things together, kits, the labs, together for students, and this will benefit the students for years to come. Being that I have an invested interest as my children are in the school system, knowing that they're going to see these kits and how much fun they're going to be when they do science in the classroom is really exciting.
Instead of having curriculum that is 1 mile wide and 1 inch deep, we'll have curriculum that might be 1 inch wide but 1 mile deep. So the students are not given the answers, they have to determine the answers on their own. It's hands-on investigation, so the students are actually going ahead and determining what is happening.
As they are doing the hands-on discoveries, they're going to mess up during that discovery. And in that process of messing up, they're learning.
It's a new way of learning. It's a new way of teaching, but I think it's going to be great. I don't have to think, I know it's going to be great.